We continue exercise 1.4. Now we will discuss question number 6. Question number 6. We are given set A equals to 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Set A equals to 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. And set B equals to 7, 9, 11, 13. Set B equals to 7, 9, 11, 13. Set C equals to 11, 13, 15. 11, 13, 15. Set D equals to
15, 17.
15, 15, 17 only. Set D equals to 15 and 17. Find A intersection B. Find A intersection B. Write the elements of A and B. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Intersection 7, 9, 11 and 13. And write the common terms of both the sets. So 7, 9, 11 is the common term. So the result is A intersection B is 7, 9, 11. Next we have to find B intersection C. B intersection C. The elements of set B is 7, 9, 11, 13. Then intersection, the value of C 11, 13 and 15. And the common terms from both 11 and 13. Third, we have to find A intersection C intersection D. A intersection C intersection D. So firstly we will calculate A intersection C. We will find A intersection C. So the set A is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Intersection, the set C is 11, 13 and 15. And then the common of both. What is common? Only there is 11. Only 11 is the common term from both the sets. So we have calculated A intersection C. Now we find A intersection C intersection D. So at the place of A intersection C, we will write 11. Then sign of intersection, and the value of D is 15, 17. So nothing is common in both the sets. Nothing is common, therefore the result would be 5. Null set or empty set. Part 4. A intersection C. Already we have calculated. A intersection C, which we have calculated, which is 11. A intersection C is 11. Fifth part, B intersection D. B intersection D. So the value of B 7, 9, 11, 13. Intersection, the value of D is 15 and 17. Then what is common? Nothing is common. So the result will be 5. If there is no any terms common, then the result will be 5. Empty set. Then part 6. A intersection B union C. Sixth part. A intersection B union C. So if we have given a bracket, then firstly you have to solve the bracket. Firstly we will solve bracket. So B union C will be calculated. So set B is 7, 9, 11, 13. Union set C is 11, 13 and 15. And in union we will have to write all the terms. So all the terms means 7, 9, 11, 13, then 15. Now we calculate A intersection B union C and put the value of A. The value of A is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Intersection, the value of B union C 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15. Now what is common terms? Only there are three terms common, 7, 9 and 11. The result will be 7, 9 and 11. Then we have to find A intersection D, seventh part. A intersection D. Set A is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11. Then intersection is A intersection B or A intersection D? There is A intersection D, not B. A intersection D. The value of set D, 15 and 17. So nothing is common. So the result will be 5. Then 8th question. A intersection B union D. A intersection and B union D. So we calculate first B union D. B union D we calculate. So the value of set B is 7, 9, 11 and 13. Then union D. D is 15 and 17. Then write the combined terms. We get 7, 9, 11, 13, 15 and 17. Then we find A intersection B union D. A intersection B union D. And the set A 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. And intersection B union D. This we have calculated 7, 9, 11, 13, 15 and 17. Now what is common in both the set? 7, 9, 11. 7, 9, 11 is the common term. So the result will be 7, 9 and 11. Then part 9. Part 9, A intersection B. A intersection B, then intersection B union C. Intersection B union C. So first we calculate A intersection B and A intersection B. Set A is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Intersection set B is 7, 9, 11 and 13. So what is common term? The common is 7, 9 and 11. 7, 9 and 11. Then we calculate this bracket. We will find B union C. B union C. So set B is 7, 9, 11, 13. Union C. C is 11, 13 and 15. Then combine both the sets. So 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15. Then we will find A intersection B and intersection B union C. The value of A intersection B is 7, 9 and 11. Intersection, the value of B union C, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Now what is common in both the sets? 7, 9, 11 is the common. So this is the result. A intersection B intersection B union C. Now part 10. We have to find A union B. A union B. Intersection B union C. Intersection B union C. So B union C already we have calculated. B union C. We find A union D. So A union D. Set A is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Union set B 7, 9, 11, 30. 7, 9, 11 and 30. So both the sets will write 3, 5, 7, 9. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and 30. This is the value of, we have to find A union D. A union D. The set D is A union D. The set D is 15 and 17. 15, 17. So it becomes 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 15 and 17. And already we have calculated B union C. So the result we will write B union C is 7, 9, 11. 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15. Then we calculate A union D. Intersection B union C. So the value of A union B is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 15 and 17. Then intersection B union C 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15. Then we select the common term. So the common term is 7, 9, 11, 15. 7, 9, 11, 15. The result will be 7, 9, 11 and 15. Now question number 7. Question number 7 we have given set A equals to x such that x is a natural number. A equals to x such that x is a natural number. Then set B equals to x such that x is an even natural number. X such that x is an even natural number. Set C equals to x such that x is an odd natural number. X such that x is an odd natural number. Set D equals to x such that x is a prime number. X such that x is a prime number. So firstly we will write all the sets in a roster form. So set A equals to x is a natural number 1, 2, 3, 4 and then dash dash, because there are infinite natural numbers. Set B is an even natural number. So even natural number is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and then dash dash. They are also infinite. Set C is an odd natural number. So 1, 3, 5, 7 dash dash. 1, 3, 5, 7. These are the odd natural numbers. And set D is a prime number. So prime number is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 dash dash. So firstly we will have to convert all the sets which is written in set builder form in roster form. Then we have to find first part A intersection B. The first part is A intersection B. So set A is 1, 2, 3, 4 dash dash intersection. Set B is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So what would be the result? This is odd natural number and this is even natural number. So even natural number is common in both the sets. 2 is also available in this set, 4 is available, 6 is, 8 is, 10 is available. So the result will be even natural number will come 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and dash dash, which also be written as set B. Which is also be written as set B. So this is the formula which you have to keep in mind. A intersection B always equals to B. This is the formula which we use. A intersection B is always equals to B. A intersection B equals to B. Then next we have to calculate A intersection C. A intersection C. It is clear that A intersection C will be C. The set A is 1, 2, 3, 4 and dash dash. Intersection set C is 1, 3, 5, 7 dash dash. So all the odd natural numbers are also available in the natural number. So the common term will be the odd natural number 1, 3, 5, 7 dash dash. So we can write that A intersection C equals to C. Then A intersection B. A intersection B. The value of A is 1, 2, 3, 4, all natural numbers. Intersection, the value of B is prime number. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, that's it. So all prime numbers is also available in natural numbers. So the result will be 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and dash dash. And also we can write D. So A intersection D equals to D. Then we have to find B intersection C. B intersection C. The value of B 2, 4, 6, 8, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8, 8. Intersection 10 and dash dash. Intersection, the value of C is 1, 3, 5, 7 dash dash. Odd natural number. So this is even natural number and this is odd natural number. And nothing is common in odd number and even number. So the result will be 5. Empty set. Then the fifth part is B intersection D. B intersection D. So the value of B, even natural number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 dash dash. Intersection D. D is the prime number. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 dash dash. So what is common? Only 2 is common. Because 2 is an even prime number. 2 is an even prime number. Then part 6. We have to calculate C intersection D. C intersection D. The value of C is 1, 3, 5, 7 dash dash. Intersection. The value of D is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 11, 13 and dash dash. So what is common in the terms? Excluding 2. 3 is common, 5 is common, 7 is common, then 11 is common, 13 is common. So 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and dash dash. 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 and dash dash. Now to discuss question number 8. Which of the following pair of sets are disjoint? Question number 8. Which of the following pair of sets are disjoint? Disjoint set means no any common elements. Two sets are said to be disjoint if they have no any common element. The first part is set 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and x such that x is a natural number. And another set is x such that x is a natural number. And the condition is 4 is less than equals to x and 4 is less than equals to x is less than equals to 6. So when we will write this state in another set, second set in a roster form, then what would come? 4, 5 and 6. 4, 5 and 6. So in both the sets, 4 is common. 4 is common. So it is not a disjoint. Not a disjoint set. Because there is an element common, and if there is an element common, then it is not disjoint. Disjoint means no element should be common. If in two sets no any elements is common, then the sets are called disjoint. But in these two sets 4 is common, so they are not a disjoint set. Then second, A, E, I, O, U. First set is A, E, I, O, U. And the another set C, D, E, F and C, D, E, F. So in these two sets again element E is common. So again they are not a disjoint set. They are not a disjoint set because an element E is common in both the sets. Third part, x such that x is an even integer. X such that x is an even integer. X such that x is an even integer and x such that x is an odd integer. And another set is x such that x is an odd integer. So we know that in even integer, when we write in roster form, then the even integer will be 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and dash dash. Then this would be written in roster form, odd integer 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, dash dash. So nothing is common in these two sets. In odd integer and in even integer, no any element is common. And if in two sets, if there is no any element is common, then they are called disjoint set. So this is these two pair of sets are disjoint sets because nothing is common in these two sets. Next question we will discuss in the next video.